Alright, I'm here working on my '07 Volkswagen, and today we're gonna take off a front windshield wiper and rear windshield wiper. So, super easy to do. We come in here and we press this button, square button, boom, pop that. That's the old one, that's the old Volkswagen proprietary blade there. So we pop that out. I got these new Bosch wiper blades. Boom. That's that right there. You can see what the connector looks like. That little clip's gonna fit into this little square piece here. So let's pop that in there. Boom. Let me get that to focus. And you kind of have to hold it just right, and it pops right in. Super easy to do. Make sure that lays flat in there. It's the same thing for the passenger side as that. I already replaced this one, so this is the new Bosch one. You can see the little clips right in there. Also, if you have a cracked windshield like mine, that'll eventually mess up those wiper blades. So I got to get that taken care of. Now we're going to move around to the back. The back one's super simple to do. I got this guy. Boom. This just pulls out like this. Cool thing is, let's get really close here, is as you flip this, it starts to push this piece out. So then you continue to pull it, and it's ready to come right out, like that. So this piece slides back and forth. And let me just do that one more time. That pops in there, close that. That locks into place. So it flips open, holds. As you push this gently back, slide this forward, guy just comes right out. That's it. That's super easy to do. And that's it. That's a front and rear wiper blades on a Volkswagen. I think it's most years, 2000 all the way to 2018. Thanks for joining us, and have a good one.